got it!
You are faster than the angriest clam.
Told ya.
We are still mad!
Whoa, we can't celebrate too soon.
Yeah, let's get the pearl to the Volcano sisters. Come on!
Aloha!
Come forth!
What you got there, Luau brothers?
Oh, great Volcano sisters.
We bring you the shiniest pearl.
It's the biggest, the shiniest, the pearliest pearl in all of Hawaii.
Bring it forth!
Tammy, you love it, don't you?
That was not what we wanted!
Really?
Really? You better find us what we want soon,
Or we'll press this red button and
Hookah Pele! The volcano will erupt! Now, go!
Okay, Volcano Sister Niniqua. Now that they tumbled away from the volcano, ready to press the button? Ready, Volcano Sister Tasha.